Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, make sure that you've got REDTIGER app downloaded and installed. Now on your dashcam, tap and hold settings button to enable Wi-Fi mode. Wi-Fi mode is enabled. Right here you can find the password. Usually it's numbers from 1 to 8. Now let's go to Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone and select REDTIGER. Enter password. And once we're connected, let's go back to the app. Tap plus in the top right corner, confirm while using the app. Now select vehicle information, tap next, connect Wi-Fi, and it's done. Your dashcam has been connected. Thanks to the dashcam app, you can manage dashcam preview, playback, and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.